Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to PrimeTubeAI review. GPT-4 powered all-inclusive platform to create and host fully automated Amazon Prime and Netflix style live TV movie channel loaded with 2M plus movie shows in just 3 clicks. Fastest and easiest method to start your own streaming service and drive thousands of free visitors and have passive profit stream without huge investment or recording even a single video you sell. That's why PrimeTubeAI is a new era in live TV channels and movie industries. Check out the real proof that our beta testers have been getting. Get your live TV and movie channels ready in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Get instant access. Step 2. Set up your own streaming channel. Step 3. Publish and profit. With PrimeTubeAI, use the moments away from a life of fun, frolic and financial freedom. Here is why top marketer love PrimeTubeAI. With the constant reduction in customer attention span, it is becoming more and more difficult for business owners to get customers hooked to their offers for long. And that's exactly where live channels streaming service step in. Live TV channel and movie industry has been on the boom in the last 5 years. And that's why we are not surprised to see the big list of celebrities who are making merry with this latest trend. Live TV and movie channels are the new sunrise in the era rampant entertainment industry, and a huge untapped business opportunity is waited round the corner. Now, I know you are feeling loaded with huge great purpose, right? And if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.